see this video and be like, that's not what was supposed to happen. Welcome to MoPowa. This is session vlog number 1.
We filmed like 3, but this is the first one we're actually using.
This is the first one we're gonna actually upload.
Yeah.
So, Merritt, you know the plan for today, right?
Yeah. We're doing these boulders, and then we go upstairs and do hard.
Please redo that. Please redo that. Oh my god.
We're doing these boulders behind us, or at least trying to. And then we're going upstairs to do some hard stuff.
Oh, and it's also just me and Matt climbing, because the other crew is in Roy, rock climbing on actual outdoor boulders while we're stuck in Dallas.
Cut to the trailer of that.
Boulders, go!
So
I'm gonna try the blue. Possibly. And then, okay, I'm gonna try the blue, then the black, and then we can go upstairs.
I'm gonna stand back.
Go.
You want me to come forward?
No, it's fine. Okay, so you start here. You have a foot here, and then a foot here. You go right hand, I think, and then you get like a toe or a heel hook. We're not sure. Merritt?
I don't know.
Definitely a toe.
I think toe hook.
Definitely a toe.
Then like bump your right hand, flip your left hand to this guy, and then do a big jump to that guy.
Big jumps.
And then you gotta crimp on that volume all the way up there, the simple, and then you finish on top of the next simple. Easy as that. Drop the mic.
So this one's blue.
It's got some big holes on it. Oh. Apparently some slippy feet.
Looks like it has not been chalked because no one has foreran it.
Howdy. His heel hooks away.
Oh. My heel slipped.
Oh god! I was like about to go, and then I literally just boop, slipped right up. Nice. Come on. Woo.
That's okay, but that's way harder than I thought it was gonna be.
Yeah.
I was not high enough for that.
Nah. Come on.
That dong is so John delicious.
So in the way.
Yeah. Oh, I missed.
Come on. Aye.
Oh, my finger hit it. My fingers were inside of it.
But I feel like you were already expecting to fall.
Oh yeah,
before.
absolutely. I was like, I'm not
You
making
were
it.
looking down.
Yeah. Oh, what is that? Oh, it's so bad.
I feel like that hole does not need to be slotted.
Moving on.
Are we doing one of the blocks now?
I'm down to try black.
No tops in this video.
Probably not. This is bit.
He's high.
This is palm.
Good crimp.
This is foot. Possibly.
Good crimp.
Shh.
It does look hard. I am not on my pedestal.
Does semi make sense.
Should we do close up?
Come on.
Things Nico won't be able to do.
Yeah, I think this boulder is going to be the death of me.
It's okay. Merritt's backwards.
I'm quite backward. Can I make it up there without flipping out though?
Come on.
Better stem.
Oh, God. Come on.
Don't hit your head.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
I'm still backwards.
Oh, I'm stepping on dual text. Oh?
Oh, this is it. Okay, now we have rock
Now it is
climbing.
possible. Nice, come on.
Watch him dry fire.
I think it would be a wet fire at this point. Come on. Oh,
Dude, my hands. Look at my hands.
Jesus. I think I'm gonna bring my.
They're so wet.
Straight up.
Alright, I think I can do it the same way I just tried it. Except now I know what to do there, so I won't have to just completely palm press the chalk off my hand. Then you know, they're gonna see this video and be like, that's not what was supposed to happen.
Come on. Come on. Oh, nice. Oh, look. Oh.
Yeah.
Ooh,
Can't get my foot. Okay,
there's a
maybe I-
wild Nico.
You can do it, Nico. Believe in yourself.
I'll try.
Oh,
Yeah, I got it.
yeah, a little bit. Things are happening. Guess who's trapped now?
You were supposed to bring your hand up before.
Nico, pop it.
Pop it.
Pop it.
Pop it.
Pop it.
My foot popped. By the way, if you don't know me personally, my name's Nico, and I'm quite inflexible. This is what I'm known for.
Doing the splits
Not doing
while
splits
doing a back bend.
is what I'm known for.
Yeah. Yeah. Do it. Do it. Yeah.
Yeah, this is good. Oh, yeah.
The next hard part. Oh, he did it easier than I thought.
Oh my god. That was so much work. Alright, video's done. Oh, we could film doing the coordination move, because that's fun.
When my friends go, it was simple. When the end's low, switch the tempo. I got right, I got heart, I won't die, I'm a fight.
You would've only
I
done
go
that 2
down,
weeks
then I strike. I go hard day and night. Yeah.
I got it like third try. No. Did I get a second try?
Second try.
My brother's blood money bleed. I got the game in the squeeze. What would you do for some green? What would you do for some blues? Go pick and choose a family the cheese. Some people not built like that. Some people get killed like that. Pressure like water, lights, mortgage, I been at bills like that. Now I got kids like that. No wonder why I feel like that. Some people go to war for nothing.
Nice.
Me, I go to war for some. Some people need knives and guns. Same ones just talk and run. Some people go to war for none. Me, I go to war for some.
Neat. We're doing 15 moves, really hard, any feet. Boom.
I got right, I got heart, I won't die, I'm a fight. I go down, bet I strike, I go hard day and night. Money on the line, keep calling. Money on the books, need all that. My kids, they'll be ballin'. Got a real bankroll, not for Instagram. My mama on the line, keep calling. Praying for me, know I need all that. Told me it's not about ballin'. Real blessed, but I'm still sinning, man. What would you do for a win? What would you do for your friends? What if this life is a fold? What if it all's pretend? What if you roll to the end? What if you started again? This is real life, not a game. I fight my battles to win. But some people go to war for none. Me, I go to war for some. Some people need knives and guns. Same ones just talk and run. Some people go to war for none. Me, I go to war for some. Some people need knives and guns. Same ones just talk and run. When my friends go, it was simple. When the ends low, switch the tempo.
get that close, and then I did. Round up.
Come on, Nico.
Red. Too far out left. Dude, that move to the purple was dope. You're welcome. I really didn't think I would stick it either. And then it was good. What? Oh, shit. Come on. Nice, man. Come on. Ollie, Ollie.
Oh, my core just was like, yeah.
Oh, I do need another foot.
Come on, Nico.
Thanks for giving me a jug.
You're welcome.
I just want to kind of explain like why we're doing like any feet 15 moves. I guess we can start with what a spray wall is. If you don't know what a spray wall is, so you take some holds and you spray it on the wall.
Crazy.
And we're just making up circuits, which Kyle has kindly made for us. This is 15 moves, and that's including matches. So you just point to certain holds on the wall, and we have to follow those. For this exercise, we're doing any feet and just focusing on like power, really hard moves. Come on. So that's why we can change between like, I use this foot, but it may not work for Merritt, so he may do a different foot. Alright, how do you feel?
Like this move is really hard.
Oh yeah, let's get a better angle of this hole.
It's bad. Jokes.
That is it. Wait, what is this, a 45-degree angle?
Yeah.
This wall?
Also, look at the grease you just put back on.
I'm sorry.
Really
Grease it up.
5 seconds.
Foul. And this is the blue pill we're using. This is the yellow cheetah. That's the first hold, the blue. Quite good. And then start hold is a jug. Come on.
Oh, why is that so hard?
You missed it, but Merritt did the move, although he had an intermediate.
Ah, you don't need to tell him. I said you don't need to tell him.
Yeah, I'll cut that part out. Hey, Nico, cut that part out. They don't need to know. How to explain it, but yeah, Merritt. Nice, dude. Come on. On. You should move your foot over to the bench.
My right foot?
Left foot over to the bench. We can also, actually this is for most training up on the spray wall. You don't have to do it from the start every single time. So if you make a move and you fall, you just start from the move that you have already made and try the next one. Which is why we're climbing up all the way over there. So his foot's right here on this red one. But once you actually hit this orange right here, then you have nothing to stop yourself from keeping on moving to the left.
I'm eating left.
Exactly. So if you have a left, or a more left foot, then you can push on it and actually stop your body from moving over to the left. At least that's what I did. Odd. Come on, Matt. Yeah. Come on. Yep. Oh, this is a cool move. Come on, Matt. Nice. Now Baldwin gives us next boulder. Blows with mask on. Okay, this is next pro climb. Same thing, 15 moves anything. Although this one looks, I feel like, more difficult. Oh, what the shit. How do you feel? Like it's hard. Yeah, Nico, come on. Come on. Oh God! What a twisty turvy. Ow! My shoulders. Other foot. Nice. Not the way, not the way. I guess that's it for this episode. Should I call it an episode? I guess. Okay, so our plan for this channel is most consistently we're gonna do session vlogs just like this, of just like our training session basically. We hope to make it a little bit more educational than it was this time, aka like actually going through like more of the boulders, our thought process. We kind of did it here, but whenever we actually do like videos, I want to do a lot more, so it actually benefits y'all.
And hopefully there will be more people next time.
Yeah, because right now the other crew, again, is in Roy, New Mexico.
Except for this one.
Except for Kyle.
I'm resting.
So, I hope you guys enjoy these session vlogs. If you want to see more, let us know. Or if you have any other suggestions, put those in the comments.
Or like.
Or both.
Or subscribe.
Okay. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Peace!
Bye.